you got in your shoe? Dog poo. So. Okay, do it.
Don't fuck with me.
Yeah. You can't really see it because it's in the dark, but we're playing football. Oh, I nearly got it. Your eyes down.
Oh, no.
Oh god, it went into the bush.
That one's going. Close the door.
Okay. Oh, nearly.
It's really hard.
Try again. Oh, nearly. Oh, I think the ball's a bit too big to go under the dog.
No, it's not. Look.
Is it? It is. It is. Do some football tricks, Dad. Oh. Right, okay, let's play football now. Look how cool this looks in the dark, Stan. Okay, let's play now. Right, so like, so I just like kick it over to the dog, right?
You have to try to get over the dog into the goal.
Okay. Sorry, that wasn't a very good kick, was it?
Oh, look at that.
No, I'm not getting it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't want to be down. Can we play Mr. Fox? Go on, Stan, you can do it. What?
I'm not scared.
You seem like
really want to get in goal.
Okay, we'll do it then. Hey!
Let's go.
No! Oh, it's okay, we got it.
I'll get that.
What?
Jump, not high.
Oh,
Just
okay.
a little bit high, not that high.
Can you film me? So you make sure I'm in the camera, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. So make sure you see me in the camera. Can you see
How
me?
do you do it?
It's already on. You just make sure you see me on the camera. Ready?
I can't even see you.
I tried. Keep dancing. That was like the best kick ever. I wish I filmed it. You I don't want to. Ready? So, do you see me in the camera?
I can't even see
Can
anything.
you see this?
Yeah, I can see your face.
Well, you can probably do it then.
What do you do then?
Then you press it.
I'm gonna go get it.
I don't want to. You dare kick kid into that bushes, bro.
I'll go get it. Don't worry.
Okay. Hey!
Can we just kick it back in and push it? I'll get it. Don't worry. You just stay here. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Oh, it's not scary. It's
I'm not even scared. I'm not scared of anything.
To be honest, I'm not normally scared of anything, but...
Are you scared of lions?
No, I love lions.
Can't bite your head off though.
It's funny because I'm scared of blooming bushes blowing in the wind, but I'm not scared of horror movies. What? What is wrong with me? Oh, is it my turn or is it your turn?
My turn.
Scary noises. Okay, well, it's your turn then. You kicked the doggy. 4, 5, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tell me another number.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you got it in the goal. Oh, it went into the bushes, Stan.
No.
It did. It bounced back. I got. Okay.
Say number to me.
2.
1,
Say a number to me.
3.
1, 2, 3. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Say a number to me.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9. You can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Say a number to me.
10.
No, it can't be one number more than every single time, like every single number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I can hear wind chimes. Oh, I'm lost. Do you hear it? Do you hear wind chimes?
What
Do you
does that
have
mean?
Do you have wind chimes? You know, like, do you feel like the nice little. Gosh. Oh, I love this song. Oh wow.
Can you play Table Fun?